Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today I have a simple but super fun tip for you. We'll use water, a brush and water-soluble ink. Start with using your brush and clear water to draw or write something on the paper. Could be anything. And then, while the water is still wet, drop ink into the pools of water. Just a small drop is plenty. Look how the word appears like magic. You can leave it like that or add a little bit more or move some of the pigment around. Fill some gaps you want to be filled, but don't fiddle with it too much. You can use diluted ink as well for lighter colors. Just mix it with a little bit of water. Or use liquid watercolors. Write your words with clear water and drop in the ink. Choose another color and drop it in so the ink combines and mixes. Leave it to dry or just make it one big colorful mess. Have fun and keep playing. If you love messing around with art materials as much as we do at Sketchbook School, then check out the courses and workshops at sketchbookschool.com.